Let's go, sibling rivalry. One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? It's been working just like. Hello, hello, hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome to Siblings Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
Kamalam Guzokondima, Sisa Loyiso, second and third name, part owner Ganjingos, brother we country, Sikyo Yongelanda.
Oh, wow. You're like building like a little intro for yourself.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome. That's what I'm actually after, you know what I mean?
That's so cute. I love the fact that part owner of Jingles is the first one.
Definitely makes it on there. Also, I mean, he's most recent on the thing. And also, thank you to.
I wrote it down.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you to.
Ndob's Steph.
Okay, for what?
07, for giving money towards the Jingles relief.
Yeah, he sent us some money saying for Jingles with a heart. So thank you so very much.
I'm like, what are we going to do with it? We have to have a monument. So I don't know what he was. That's so wild. Okay,
Yeah,
that's fine.
Yeah, so yeah, thank you for that. Shout out.
Mm.
How are you, Doc?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. How have you been?
Is that it?
Yeah, isn't it always?
Doc, that sounds so much like me. Like, I've come to realize.
I want you to go first. That's why.
It's, yeah.
Afuni.
Yo, ndingaphansi mfethu mna.
I can see your spirit is so low.
Yeah, ndifila low.
Mm.
Ndingaphansi man. I don't know. I don't think it's fatigue. I don't think it's my watch even told me just now. I said, you're stressed. My watch says to me, you are experiencing a higher stress level than usual.
What?
Do you want to partake in a breathing activity? I couldn't do that because I was running here.
No.
But yeah, man, I just had the past 2 days of just been I've been operating at lower frequency. You know what I mean? Yes, the people in my corner bamile mon bathi Bruce Lee cha endingaphansi man and ndiyaxushwa straight ndiyaxushwa nyani ndixushela lento uba ithe xa ithatha ifone ngathi ndicela iSIM card hayi angathi ndibethwa wes. So andixuthelwa ngafone by the way, but it's just like that's just how I feel, man.
Askis, man.
Yo,
I know that feeling so well.
Yo, ndacinga bra izolo ngikoma, hey sister yami ke yathi ba ndake ndahlala phansi ndakhala ngikoma yabawela ukhala fethu, and I think I'm due a cry.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
Amatyana ayakhala guys mostly.
In case you didn't know.
Yeah, no, absolutely. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just struggling through that for a bit. It's strange for me.
I know, because you're an upbeat human.
Correct. And I was at Cell Group yesterday, Erieni, and they were like, let's talk like retrospectively in the year. How did your year go? And and one of the things that I said is, I've had a really, really great year. It's one of the years where I'll probably look back in 10 years' time and be like, 2024 was where it all changed for me.
Really?
Yeah, I've had some really super highs.
Okay.
Some super highs personally, some super highs professionally, because this is what I do professionally.
100%.
And but I've said I said to them yesterday, you know what I experienced is that the higher you go, right? So I've had super highs.
Yeah.
And now immediately, so I've had very high highs. But the lows haven't been super low. But a low, when you're coming off a high, just
feels
lower. You know what I mean? You're so feel out of character, man. So I'm just like, trying to just get through that. Which I hope, obviously, hopefully it'll be over soon. But I'm trying to also lean into doing things, being out there, going out there, doing what I need to do as well to also keep my mind active.
Not leaning into the
mess, no, absolutely. Like, sit in the mud for a bit, but also like see what's happening out there. You know what I mean? And I think that will make it last shorter. But yeah, and I realize as well that maybe I do need some more tools. Just with regard to that, because a life without struggle is not much of a life, right? So
Hundreds.
it just sucks when you just don't know what you're
What to
struggling
do.
with.
Yeah, firstly, yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So
I'm so sorry about that, bro.
no, too easy.
I know what it's like. I mean, maybe yeah. And it's hard to like grab yourself out of the funk.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I know it is a bit. It's time to get funky. But yeah, with the low lows must.
Come
It's
here.
just darkest before
For
dawn.
dawn, bro.
So who knows?
Next week it will be actually.
Next week nobody's of elite. So yeah.
I found something out about PMS.
Okay.
I mean, not that you're PMSing, but
Premenstrual stress
hey,
or post.
a
You get
pre.
post as well. Okay.
No, a pre.
Okay, sure.
So apparently, if you take antihistamines on the day that you have PMS, your PMS is better. Not all antihistamines is yours. It's called non-drowsy.
Oh, okay.
So girlies,
Hold on before you plug the girlies.
I
Oh,
only found out 2 days ago.
It's fine. Girlies,
But
hang
wait.
on.
No, but antihistamines not gonna hurt you in any way, and you take one a day.
Antihistamine, it's that for your allergy.
Wait, allergics and don't do. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm definitely trying that.
I'm definitely trying to avoid the lawsuits. So
I heard allegedly, gents, allegedly. Oh my gosh. But
Yeah.
that was a highlight of my week.
Okay.
I can't wait to try it.
Got you.
But another highlight of my week was...
Is your outfit? Is that why it was it?
No, I've got a pocket.
I said,
Thank you so much. This is Ghanaian, originally from Ghana. I purchased it in Accra myself.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and it's like a traditional garb of Ghana.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
very nice.
Which is wild because the material is really hectic and Ghana's really hot. So I'm always just like, house way. But yeah.
Isn't it the same principle of like cheese or good of
Seliti.
So
I don't know.
we put on air on the hottest day and then
so that you can sweat.
regulate.
And then your sweat makes you cold. That's what the tea thing is.
Really?
Yes. So you produce. I mean, obviously
it
you're not gonna
calms
sweat.
you down.
Yes, you're not gonna sweat. But kuzobakho perspiration and then iyakulisha down ke ngoku.
Ongathi uyakhwitshwa ngamanzi. That's excellent.
So another thing so last week we were talking about, I was saying like how I don't have I don't have fatigue, like end of year fatigue because I don't feel like I did much.
Yeah.
So there was this comment that like really stuck with me from Ulize Katana.
Yeah.
She said, "Sis T, I get you. You did not spend a lot of your energy in the space you wanted to spend it in, which is acting.
Yeah.
But you spent most of your time creating something great with your brother.
Okay.
Into ekuyeyenu fully, and you have done well there. You have a lot of subscribers, and that's mainly because of your honesty, openness, and authenticity.
Yeah.
You guys remained true to yourselves. Bekunganyanzelekanga uba usebenze on a lot of projects now, but to work on one and make it great. I completely, you look past that, which is so wild. Ekugqibeleni, it's not about quantity, but quality. We know how gifted you are in acting, and ubawo uzawaveza amathuba. Maybe you were just supposed to spend this year creating greatness.
Crazy.
Which speaks to this thing that I wrote as well. The beginning is the most important part of the work. We started, you know what I mean?
We started.
And this is the thing, whatever it is that it creates afterwards,
Yeah.
You might feel like you're dredging in the mud at the beginning or in the middle or whatever, or take it for granted that it's going anywhere. But I don't think I would have been able to do this if I was working a lot because of the work schedules that come with the work that I do.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't be able to like consistently be here and in a space that makes me happy, in a healing space.
And really pour as much as you've poured
of myself into it as well, with all the things that I've realized about myself, the things that I've learned about me, about you, about like stuff that I didn't know about. So I was like, oh, I've taken all of that for granted because I wanted to work. And I wanted to work because I wanted to get money.
Yes.
And sometimes money's at such a forefront that you take for granted all the other stuff that maybe doesn't necessarily make you as much money as you used to.
Yeah.
but we've been doing like a dope thing.
Been doing a crazy thing.
I know.
I've been doing a mad thing, and I realize it each and every day, but yela, ayivelanga le nto.
Fondini.
Ayivelanga le nto. That should be the first word for today. Ayivelanga.
Ayivelanga.
Ayikrobanga le nto.
Ayikrobanga,
And there's a
no.
saying as well, Glenda Tetayo is saying, Eti, do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life.
100%. And this is why it hasn't felt like work. Do you know what I mean?
Heavy.
So I was like, I haven't been working. I've been working every day, literally every day on this.
Wild. Yeah, I mind blasting.
So thank you so much for that. You really, Lizeka, you reminded me of what I was actually doing with my time. Just because it wasn't connected to a monetary value necessarily, it doesn't mean that it was not feeding my soul.
Yeah. Boy. And it will be connected to a monetary value.
Oh, it is. I mean, but just not the monetary value. Kelly,
Got you. Legezisayo. Kwezithongela abantu
phansi. So appreciate that so much.
Yeah,
Top comment for me of the week. It's like you really thought about it and you gave us. And someone wrote an article about
and
us.
someone wrote a blog about us, bro.
Gosh,
or taking inspiration from us, right?
Yeah.
To feed into their blog. And I think what I'll do as well is I'll put it in the link. I'll put a link in the description.
Okay, cool.
So look out for that blog as well.
It was written so well also.
Yeah.
And it was just about being Black and what family means and how things have changed in our family structures and who we are now.
Yeah.
It was written so well. It was such a great article.
No,
I was so chuffed. Utata wrote like me an article about how incredible he thinks that was. And I was just like, oh man, that's so cool.
That is very cool. We should take that. We should take what he wrote to you and write it as a comment on that blog. Do you think that would work?
No.
Okay.
Not in the way he wrote it.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
No.
Okay, cool. Perfect. No, 100%. I don't know if I can. I had a snippet, the last part of it.
Yeah.
Do you think you'd like to hear me read it?
Okay.
That's if I can find it. So you just need to keep talking while I scroll through my phone. Okay, here it is. I've got it. So the last part of that blog went a little bit like this. There is a world where Black families can have healthy conversations about money and resources, especially families where people are not in the same class bracket. We need to talk about this more outside of the problem of Black tax. There is a world where sharing resources in the family amongst siblings is exactly that, sharing and not flossing for each other. There is a world where Black families are supportive and kind and safe spaces. There is a world where Black families do not need to be replaced with friends who become family. There is a world where our families have healed from what colonialism and apartheid and capitalism have done to tear them apart. There is a world where Black people love each other consistently. But that world seems to always be in formation and needs us to create it and recreate it over and over again, because it's always at risk.
How beautiful.
Yeah, no, that is just excellent. As I said, I'll put the link in the description, and then you guys can also have a bit of a read for yourself. So
Sure.
shout out to @Atambile_M on Instagram for that.
Thanks, Atambile. That was absolutely gorgeous. So unexpected also. When you sent it to me, I was like, what is this? And then I started reading, I was like, oh. An inspiration piece? That's dope.
No,
so
crazy.
I also, last week's episode was also about like female riz.
Yeah.
And you were teaching us some things. Boy, did I win this week.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing in the purple and green.
Boy, did I win this week. And I wasn't even trying. This is the thing. I wasn't trying to win.
Sutraya.
I wasn't at all.
Nice.
I wasn't even thinking about winning. I wasn't even thinking about boys. Like, I wasn't thinking about anything. I was just I made a video.
Yeah.
On TikTok.
Yeah.
Talking about Zulu guys and how they some Zulu guy had said to me, Ndogazi. And I was just like, oh.
Now what's your melt again, mama?
ngaplashani into azangibone ezisawula. So I was like, so I just made a TikTok and I was like, oh, you guys, when I catch you with your mamas and your ntokazis, why do you guys do that? Boy, oh boy. I counted today. I have 27 people in my DMs right now hollering.
Yebo ntokazi. Mama.
Hawu nkosazana waze wamuhle. Hawu nko
That's the advantage.
27 and even more on the comments. The comments are like 400 comments. So it's like, oh, what I needed to do was not think about it at all and just say something about like my perspective.
Clean.
And now I'm raking them in.
No, don't rake them in. Please don't rake them in. Ninga rekeki in. Damazi mna. Nine African chemistry, sister wamlo.
Manini kuthandwa ngengoma phaba ingomo sesibayeni sika baba zilinde ntontoli. Hey, manini.
Uzomka nomsinga wena.
So,
age group yakho ayikho ku TikTok ke uyalo ndo leyo.
And Bas, I don't even know. I haven't looked at it. Like, I haven't gone and like actually looked. I've just been reading, going, what is even happening?
Yeah.
People are like, can I have your number? What? I'm just like 27 humans.
Yeah, that's wild. That's
Making it
wild.
in Kesana Patebendlala.
Butsameka.
Hayi bengithameka I'm serious. Also, it's December next week. Calm down.
You're clean the total wrong time. Just value relationship, wasn't
Yeah. Zivalwa Friday.
Value Friday.
Valwa, yeah.
Okay. Friday.
Oh, but then by the
Friday
time
the
this comes
29th.
out, yes,
Okay.
it's says value.
Oh, okay, cool.
Uyivalile yakho Chomi?
Ivalise.
Hayi bo nje uvale isitheni?
Andiyazi isitheni esivalwayo. Right mna ningavali. Andikabi na year end fatigue.
All right, cool. One last thing from me.
Okay. Can't be lost from you. Kaloku ngoza topic namhlanje.
Oh no! So I wanted to actually read like one of what one of these guys said because Zulu's so poetic. There was a certain guy in there who said, hey, what about Tina? Don't ho hang. That's even I learned it ho hang.
This is China. Okay, the language. Oh, it's na. Datana mos language, not 39 So I'm just thinking, ma, and ngokwala nomntu, and then ati king. Ndina king kang. Ndama, ngiyakwazi ngithethe. Ingathi sizawulwa. It's king kang. I always find it so interesting.
I was like, Salamino, like he.
Yeah, but also, si pronounce wrong or Tina.
It doesn't matter, Joe. Like, have you ever heard Isutu and gone, ooh? Exactly.
Yeah, we're having a conversation about that with some friends. Emsebenzini besithi ba, "Hayi yo, it's turning out uyalwa." Awuthetha. Language ethile ngathi uthentele, Xhosa women allowed. What? So I was just like, actually, that's very interesting.
But Zulu is beautiful.
Yeah.
Zulu is just great. Even Umtutlaisila now, like when you hear like an angry Zulu man, you're just like,
yeah.
Scary.
Ngaze ngambheka ngamkhahlela.
Wena is soft. Ngikhabe kancane. Khaba futhi. I'd rather ngikhahlelwe than ngikhatshe.
Nyathelo ndanyeni. Yeah, no, absolutely, for sure.
100%. So that was hilarious. So this guy says, Mama. Yeah! Full stop. Yo!
Mama.
Mama is a sentence. It's not a word. Mama, wahamba ngathi unyathela sonke istress engisibambile. Uyikhambi le njabulo yami. Intoni ikhambi?
Andiyazi sani ngalikhamba. Chipuku.
Uyichipuku yami. Iphimbo lakho lingangithokozisa ukulizwa lisho la esiphikeni endlebeni yami. Isipika, isn't it?
Speaking.
Into isipika.
And yeah, I speak along as close as different thing, I guess.
Okay. Endlebeni yami ngesimo sokushaya ucingo. Ngicela nkosazana wenze usuku lwami lube oludlula ukhisimusi.
Yes, son. Sounds kakhulu bhuti. Ethi bhuti wenza kakhulu. Bhuti omdala.
Out of all the things I read, I was like, my brother. Okay.
Damn, that's heavy.
That is so heavy,
that's
but it's so nice. It's so poetic.
Eh,
It's so soft. It's
I
so...
don't try by inzima, not heavy in that. Like yo, inzima zekak.
Awusekaki
Yeah,
my
I was
brother,
wrong.
bro.
You.
Ah,
You?
andiyazi uba undicela ntoni but ikhona eceliweyo.
And Tina's charmy thing.
Nithini nina?
Fundini.
Ha, 40. Oh, uqala ngo-14. Andingomfondini. Andingomfondini. And you guys do call us Fondini. Fondini kawenze. Fondini. No ways. This is what you must say
Wow,
here,
that's
not a
incredible.
Fondini.
That's incredible. That's incredible. You must post that in the back of your story on TikTok. Uthi hayi ke Xhosa niggas. Over to you,
You got next. Bukhona omnye besithi hayi intokazi emanzandonga. Thathi even la ntokazi akafani. It's not the same ntokazi in Xhosa as it is in Zulu, you know. I was like, not that, I mean, you can be romantic in Xhosa, definitely.
Sure.
But you hardly ever hear it. It's just like, even the young Zulu guys have this going on. You know, they know how to do this. Because it seems like only the older people know how to talk, and we're going,
Correct.
don't do that.
Yeah, that's very interesting. That's very interesting.
I love Zulu as a language. I love it very much.
Got you.
So I spoke to Dad.
Okay, about?
Today about jingles.
Okay.
About the ever-going mystery of Unjingosi. And so I said to him, we need to come to a place of agreement with the country, because everyone is like, oh no, that's not true. Don't. So I said that we'd call him and then he can tell his version of the story.
Okay.
Of what actually happened.
So what am I recording?
This, just in case this doesn't record properly here.
Okay. Yo, I don't know if this is gonna work, bro.
Why?
Yeah, then just hold this. I'm sending a voice note to you.
Oh. Hi, Dad.
Is it on speaker?
Yeah. I'm fine. Why do you sound so sad?
Oh no, I'm just from town, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Askies. So we're on the show. Welcome to Sibling Thrivalry. And we just wanted to know about what actually happened to Unjingos. What's the real story?
Oh, I wonder, is it worth revealing to the public? Because lunch ayacha itambo, okay?
Itambo London.
Itambo lenkuku.
Okay.
Okay.
Yaxatywa lithambo lenkuku. Okay? Yeah, wathi ndabaleka ndayisa kwagqirha.
Okay.
But ugqirha, no, it'll have to be put down, okay? Ndayilayisha emotweni. Kwangekakhiwa phaa kulaa ndawo inevista, uyabona yayisengamatyholo. Ndahamba nemoto ndinganixelelanga. Yeah, ndafika ndayibeka phantsi kwetyholo igula injalo ndabaleka
Put that down.
Why baleka wayishiya?
Ewe, ndizayithini? Kuthiwe iyafa.
Kuthiwe ayinokhutshwa ithambo.
No, the doctor couldn't operate. No, yes,
Whoa.
Oh no.
It was.
Yayibona loo nto leyo ibalele usizi kangako uliphinde.
Uzayibalisa njani?
What kind of a dog was he? Do you know?
No, kaloku thina sikhula inja icelwa. Andiyazi uba ndandiyicele phi. Okay, ndizoyiva apha edolophini uba inja iyathengwa. But ndandiyicelile laa nja ndayiphiwa.
Ungafuni maphepha ubulele inja.
And into esibini eyayindirhuqula ngayo laa nja, khumbula kaloku ekhaya ndikhula mna inja into yaphandle. Ndingenasiteketiso ngele kwafutseko umde. my God. So mina ngoku ngabantu abamodels nifuna udlala nenje endlini andingena ngwele.
Okay, last question. Who named the dog?
Yayinini.
Oh, no way!
Sounds like us. Sounds like us.
Well, I was not for this dog issue because the animal they call it natural habitat. Yayikwa nguwe umuntu owafosayo into yoba yeyi uyayifuna inja uyayifuna. And ke ekukhuleni kwakho you were very pushy. Yeah, ndikhumbula usithi mandithenge ipiano ndafika ume emnyango caba unawutya nowutya. Kwanyanzela ndifune ipiano engazange uyibethe nangemini.
Ah, Dad, that is not the truth. I did piano lessons for many years.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Love you.
I love you too. Muze kuzuke va.
Okay.
Okay, hi, I'm Shegas.
Hi.
All right, bye.
Sharp.
Kunjani?
Kaloku, kuthiwa bye, bye.
Fonela late.
Bendithe uzufakela i-safety belt kwisithi le ihleli sister wakho uzawuhleka awuwa.
Will do.
Bye. Excuse me. So that's hectic.
Sad. Shame.
Oh, no.
Poor guy is sitting there like, how am I gonna tell him? Like how do you even begin to tell the story? Yeah. But I'm very interested to also knowing ukuthi, how do you that are parents feel about the truth in situations when it comes to your kids? Like how do you handle that? Abantwana niyabaxelela inyani at all costs okanye you don't.
I mean, there's gotta be a certain age, but the thing is, how do you know that age? And is that age the same with all kids? Because some kids are like a little bit more advanced than their age mates, and I guess depending on how you talk to them, to begin with, because abanye abantwana they get babied for a long time,
correct,
and abanye abantwana bateketiswa noteketiswa, they just kuthiwa Ina tata nansi bola. Akuthiwa yo ikhavi boya. Like, you know what I mean?
Abanye kuthi ikhavi boya kodwa na 18. So okay. I wonder how that's navigated and what are the strategies there. I'm just asking out of interest.
Yeah.
Simply because dichongele conundrum yayigo time about funding, how do you go back 100%,
and we were young. I must have been at the most 5 at the most.
Really?
Yeah, because
you're that young.
Yes, because we moved to Epagans in 1989.
Okay. And why saying Kunjingo?
And right, darling,
Yeah.
So I was a baby.
That's crazy how I kind of have a faint memory
Of
Unjingos.
Oh.
Hey, very faint, but I was also so small, so it's very wild.
Yeah, I don't know. I think because there's so many books about parenting, fine.
Yeah.
I don't think it helps in situations like this.
Often it becomes a very individual thing, I guess.
No, but I think a lot of things become a very individual thing because you're raising an individual. You know what I mean? Yes, there are things where there's like milestones where you're like, okay, at 2, or whatever, and fine. But then there's outliers who are like, wait a minute.
And then they had to do something. I almost got. I almost
Yes,
had that happen to me. Correct, and it's seen so that they chew, kind of like chewing on your knees with no teeth, right? So
With
that
gums.
it's painful for you to crawl, which will hopefully then
Encourage.
incentivize you or encourage you to walk. That almost happened to me, and then I walked. It's almost like I could hear them.
Yeah, you were like, what?
Yeah.
I'm not going there.
Yeah. So I was a bit of a slow learner, but yeah. That all doesn't matter right now.
So fasting, boy.
Yeah, for sure.
Yo, the coming to the end of the year is so hectic. People are already like shopping like crazy.
Yeah.
Kuthenga ntoni kangaka?
Thenga izinto fondini,
Like
uyazibulela impahla, i-trinkets, into, i-gifts. You must remember other people are really big on Christmas, right?
Fine, I get the gifts part.
Yeah. And it's I guess it's a time to reward ourselves. So you're
For
buying the
surviving the
things,
year.
yeah, buying the things that you've been working for.
Mm.
You're buying the things that you've wanted. You're buying, yo, everything, bro. Vya grosara, vya tini. There's a lot, man. Yes, bulela, basically. I think so.
Do you think that's like an intentional Ndiazibulela situation? Or are we, as we do, are we the sheep that just
I
do what everyone else is doing at the same time?
also, it doesn't help kaloku ba zisale ngapha,
Black
zintoni
Friday.
ngapha,
Black
yonke
Friday's
into.
been the whole month also.
Yeah, but the real Black Friday is
This Friday.
this Friday.
Mm.
Yeah, the 29th.
Ninth.
Yeah, that's the real
Oh.
Black Friday. But yeah, obviously people have been jumping on the bandwagon, taking this as an opportunity to sell stuff, right?
Mm.
So yeah, I think year-end has got a representation on many things,
Mm.
right? So I think it's bayazibulela man abantu. They're just taking this opportunity to be like, made it to the end of another year, and you know what? Cool, we made it.
It was tough, so let me reward myself.
No, absolutely. I think that's the kind of spirit. Obviously, the marketers take that by the horns. But yeah, I think that is the general sentiment.
And how do you reward yourself?
I don't know. I'm not I'm not a big rewarder. I'm not a big rewarder of myself. In terms of physically getting stuff.
Something, yeah.
I mean, kubantu abazipresendayo ngebirthday yabo.
Mm.
Mna azithengele into ngebirthday yakhe.
That's what I do.
So I'm not. I don't know. Hey, and yeah, that's how we bambi mali yenye into. I don't like to spend. Oh, into embi.
Go back to
Into embi. Yo indlela engathanda uspenda ngayo fonini sengingene kutemu ngo. Buda katemu.
So Tegile.
Tenga. Tenga is Orlando's useless.
But this is the thing about that space as well. It's like you don't need any of those things that takes
90% off. Ungamyeka njani ungumuntu obhadlileyo abehloko. Ungamyeka wena 90% off. Thenga into nazo. Oh man, it's so blind.
Have you bought more than once?
I bought once, but I bought like gang stuff.
What did you buy? How come
Bought
you
a
didn't so?
spiral bedside lamp. Dine bedside lamp is ndathu in my room currently today. Ne? Besides le ndithenga kutemu, also ndithenge one. Who does that? Ndathenga
Wait.
izithrows glass. Oh, those are cute though.
But you can buy those anyway.
Ndathenga ezinye iskima bengicima si-beige kanti si-peach.
Wait. Is the spiral thing, is it nice?
Yeah, it's cute.
I've seen
It's
it.
like an LED thing. Yeah.
Wait, do you use it?
No. Ihleli phaa lounge ngoku, ihleli phaa kwetafile lounge, ayitest iyasebenza, ihleli phaa ngoku. Then ndathenga nenye into engathi yi-artwork, iintsimbi ezithe zenza ipicture, yayibona mos laa nto.
Yes.
Thenga nerek yezihlangu.
Was it big, the artwork thing?
No, I mean, it's probably about this tall.
Uh,
Yeah, no, but you size a little,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
yeah. No, I don't know where I'm gonna put that thing.
can I have it? I have lots of nails in the wall that need stuff.
Bro, ndathenga ivisor yofaka emotweni kwenzela uba ingatshililanga i-dashboard. How old am I? 75. Qha ke ibiyi-R2. Hey, they've got it bang on.
They really
Yo, spinile elavili anayo nebhongo. Oh man.
And this is the thing, you always feel like you're winning. You always
You
feel
do.
Like,
I spent $900 for it, like into 15. Hang on a toolbox. You see how random all of these things are?
Absolutely. There's no theme.
Bruh,
There's no theme
half
here.
of those things dipisa ngazo. Because I'm just like, what's this, bro? Hey, sana.
Class throws go services.
Andisebenzisi straw in general.
This is what I'm like.
Naphina.
Endlini xosela amanzi.
Oh,
Yeah, bruh.
ndiyaphela ngutemu.
What do you mean? Do you still have the app?
Efonini.
Delete it.
Big and check. Mhlawumbe zakhona endiyifunayo pha fonini.
If I don't know, you don't know if unayo. Do you even know about your
Simbahla fonini mhlawumbe. Yeah, andiyazi bro.
T-shirt njani? You have to scratch.
Yeah, le twakutwaku nela t-shirt, i-t-shirt ezerekere endala. Andifuna inxiba last week. Then I was like, nah, B, azinxiba le t-shirt hayi. Ingathi ingenzela igala material ye-baby costume.
Lycra. Yes.
Le yona leyo, khona lokho.
Yes.
Ah,
Ndicela ungathengi impahla kuTebu, dog.
really?
No, because you're a fashion icon.
Fashion icon. Ah, man. Andaqala uyiva. Andaqala uyiva.
Wait.
Angxaki kodwa hayi khe ndayidabula ke kodwa.
This is the thing.
Khe ndayikrazula
This
kakubi.
is the thing. Every week, someone in the comments is gonna be like, "Oh, your T-shirt. Oh, where'd you get the T-shirt?" Like all the time. So now, if it's drop by standard, so it's T10.
Ah, for me, it's a hit and miss. Into yonxiba mna, I feel like it's a hit and a miss. Fana ne-content, it's a hit and a miss. Qha, you must just keep doing it. Sometimes yeah, because people abaxelele ubunxibe kakubi mos andithi. Baxelela xa unxibe kakuhle.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, but I think from a quality perspective, Central, ndingumntu quality.
This is the thing. And so, iyabonakala quality. It doesn't necessarily have to be stylish, but I think by virtue of the fact that it's quality, it makes it stylish. It makes it look good.
No, for sure. And I think one thing that I've learned as well is that as a guy, you as a woman or as a girl or a lady, you guys have the ability, in a cheat code of dressing cheap. Kweza ndawo Dr. Malinga wayespana kuzo ngoku esakhula ekhwaza phaba nazo you dress cheap and you look good. Yeah, you dress cheap and you look good, but as Oaks, I feel like it's so weird. You dress cheap and you look cheap.
Okay, when you okay, look at you.
Ewe uqombe ezi skipper ngeke noba sekusithwani. You understand?
Yeah.
So unganxibanga kakubi but man icon in the off. Ewe. Yeah, icon the off. So
I just think we're catered to more.
no, but there's also funny fashion world. Right? Uyakwazi wena ubone into itop cute
Do
fashion
they
world.
have men's stuff?
They should have fashion world.
I don't think they do.
Okay. Okay.
There's so many stores that don't have men's clothes. This is what I'm trying to say. So we have like a large variety of things to choose from. Every store's got women's stuff, I mean, except Markham's, whatever.
Sure.
But we've got a large variety. So it's your choice when about uzabambi okanye uzaba right, because there's so many options. Also, ninxiba ntoni na i-t-shirt nebhrukwe.
Nejini, yeah, nebhrukwe, no
Do
short.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
I can wear this thing here, intoni igama layo.
Yes, no, yes.
Exactly. Ndinxibe iskirt, ndinxibe ilokhwe, ndinxibe i-pants nami, ijini, ndinxibe i-sandal. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We've got a lot of options.
No,
So
absolutely right. And I'm just like, because you know me, Gam, I've always been looking for a way, but how do I up the game? How do I up the game? And I don't know, bro. So
you buy more expensively. That's how you
Nah.
up the game, yeah.
but this is the thing, you end up wearing the same thing. But yeah, I've learned also about yakwazi mix and match with Tibanese and all.
A chip, engekho chip. Okanye njani? Kanjani?
No, engekho cheap, engekho cheap. It's like there's a little set that I had made.
Yeah.
Ndikhe ndayidibanisa nenye into ke ngoku.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yaphuma
Right.
shibididi. Because I went to an art exhibition,
Oh.
which was really cool.
Was it your first time? Because it sounds
Yeah,
like
it was definitely my first time. Andizazi andizifrostani kaloku mna ezawuya efondini, so it was interesting.
I think I did.
Yeah, ndafika nani.
Hmm.
So I completely did something that is completely outside of what I would normally do.
Oh, really?
And I was actually glad that I did it. It was a very nice vibe.
Someone said they saw you at a play. At the
Yes,
theater.
yes,
And
yes,
I was
yes.
like, no, that
Yeah.
wasn't him.
Eh,
Anna Peak, I know right.
No, definitely I went to a theater. It was some show called The Suit. Crazy.
Oh, didn't you read that book in school?
No.
No, it's a dope
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, no, I didn't. What a story. It
Yeah.
just, yeah. That's mind blowing. It was really cool.
So Zapinduye,
Yeah, I think so. Give it another bash.
and the art and an art exhibition.
Yeah, just to try and gain more knowledge, because I think for with certain things, it comes with you'll go and then you're like, but subung I understand. So I'm really trying to see if I can get to understand it. And then hopefully we'll see.
Getting
Because the
closer.
hope is zinto ezifunekayo esingenazo.
100%. Asinazo, nyana.
Asinazo prior
Yeah,
hobbies.
yeah.
Asinazo hobbies. Uba hanging out with my family. What.
Lying.
No, that's called socializing. So, i-hobbies ezinye izinto. Yeah, fly fishing. Oh no. Stamp collecting. Is that collecting stamp? Coin collecting, whatever. Like hobbies.
Something that you can consistently do
Absolutely.
for years.
Yeah, and enjoy. And I think that's also definitely something that possibly also helps get your mind off of other things.
100%. And also get you excited about something.
Absolutely.
Like if you're collecting stamps, that's such a terrible example. But like, uhambe uyozikangela on a Sunday, and you're these stamps or whatever, you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
And we really don't. Hey, we work and then we weekend and then we socialize on the weekend.
Correct.
And then we go to work again.
No, absolutely.
But in order for you to find what you're interested in, also you have to try it, like a lot of things.
Yes, you have to try a lot of things. Go and before you ice rink, weekend, the instrument or whatever. But I don't know. Like I feel like all hobbies are kind of like so. But it's called a new hobbies, I guess.
Yeah, of course. But like there's like dancing, like you can go join a dance class. You're in the salsa.
And then piano for I wish I could dance. And maybe it's something that I should do.
This is the thing. You don't.
I
have
wish
to
I could
be
sing.
Yeah.
Maybe it's something that I should pay
But
for.
you can sing. This is the thing.
Ngicula kamandi mfondini.
Ucula kakubinjeni ngo?
Ngicula nje. Ngicula kamandi
I
mfondini.
also wish
that
I
sounds
could
so
sing.
nice. You know
Me
what I
too.
mean?
Yeah.
What hobbies do you have?
I don't have gym.
Don't hobby.
I gym.
Man, that's to keep yourself physically lacquer.
I don't think dinazo. Photography, which I should, do more of.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I really enjoy taking pictures. I love putting together reels from our homies when we're out. Like that stuff is dope for me.
Yeah.
I like visual stuff, yeah.
That's so actually very interesting, Uguti. Zindo has any hobbies, guys? I'd love to know the answer to that. Like, because Nyan, when I sit and I think about it, and I think about myself, and I think about some of my homies, I'm just like,
what do we
your
do?
hobby?
What is your hobby?
No,
What's
your
wrong,
hobby?
Andoni?
See, he's got hobbies because
Yeah.
he works full time.
Yeah.
He also does photography. He also plays instruments. He also, likes to build stuff. Don. So I think that's really, really cool.
It is. It's really cool to be able to get your mind to do something else that you like.
Yes.
That is not necessarily something that you have to do with other people. I think that's the thing. Something you can
Correct.
do by yourself.
And with
for
other
sure.
people. I
And with
guess,
other people,
because-
for sure. Yeah, for sure. But something for you.
Yeah. Yeah, no. Iyafuna ujongwa, eh?
Is hiking a hobby? I think hiking's a hobby.
Hiking is a hobby. And it doesn't have to be something that you do every day. It doesn't have to be doing something
No.
once in a while. Like other people, camping is a hobby.
Yeah.
Etc.
I think I'd enjoy camping. Remember when we used to camp?
Camping, glamping.
Camping.
Camping.
Remember when we used to
Nice.
camp Ngokisasizi Pathfinders?
Yeah.
I loved that. That was like my favorite
Oh,
thing
really?
about Pathfinders. Yes.
Have you gone on the campus in adults?
No.
Okay. Yeah, maybe something to think about.
But I'm not because I'm ndedwa.
I mean, you go in these groups now. Oh, everyone is camping.
Yes, strangers.
Oh, okay. Sure, Buddha.
Okay, you know what? That's what I'm going to put myself out there and find like a camping club or whatever.
Yeah.
Diambe and go camping and see if it brings me as much joy as it did when I was a kid. But I think it will. Just the idea of it makes me feel like, ooh.
Yes.
But unfunu ya like opikopi, I don't want
Are you
to do like
okay? In
people
Dust
are
We
camping.
Trust. Rocking the daisies. Are you okay? Umtruvo lo standing.
But people are camping at those.
Funny. No, I think it's like, yeah, I fun. So yeah, I think that would be really, really cool. High expenses. that's, I think, another thing that kind of puts us off hobbies.
Yeah.
Because when no business serious, you really find people are
They
pouring
pay-
money into this thing.
yeah.
Bro. Rightfully so, I
Yeah.
guess. But yeah, I think that's another thing that for me has made it sit in the back burner. But I'm not in the and I guess it also goes hand in hand with not finding something that you really, really love. Because once you do, then you don't mind.
Yeah, for sure. This is the
It's
thing.
something that you work
But then you have
towards.
to try things. That's the other thing.
Yes. Yeah.
Cool.
So, yeah, I think that's pretty cool.
Okay, if any of you guys know anything about Abantu Abakembayo, please let me know because I really want to start. I'll
Okay.
try.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. No,
I think
that's
that's
cool.
fun.
We'll follow
And
up on
also,
that.
I can, the photography can go hand in hand with the camping.
Absolutely.
Mm,
No, that's really, really cool.
awesome.
No, that I get.
Mm.
Happiness. Xhosa words?
Oh, I have one.
The closeness of it all.
The closeness of it all.
Yeah.
Ungandweni.
Ndweni.
Hayi bani ungandweni lo.
Don't know. Up to no good. Not directionless. It's giving not reliable. It's giving
unreliable.
Yeah,
yes.
unreliable.
Yeah.
It's giving unreliable. It's giving I don't know, uziyekelele. I don't know.
Someone you can't trust.
Yes, about nothing. That person is about nothing.
Noma yini.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the way you broke that down actually, because I could see your process
Ungandweni.
sifting through things.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because it's always used in a context of no, why don't you ask Banban? Oh, hayi wethu ungandweni lo. Yeah. Yeah.
Ungena substance.
Yeah. I think so.
That's the one I have.
Okay. I don't have one.
You don't have nothing. Babe.
Man, nixelele man ba into wenzeka ntoni gama.
It's okay.
Looking for another.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, mcawu manisi la magama akho.
Umntu xa esithi, you know that song, Dili yoko yoko ndinje.
Hayi ke. Because you never use that word anywhere else.
Ever. You never use that word in a sentence.
No.
You never hear anyone saying it. You only hear it in that song. But it's a proper word, right?
It should be.
And what does it mean?
But it means dripping. Because I'll take that from a word that maybe says, but if that's a word. So could be a shortening of that one. Yoko ya yokozela. Sencho ndinje.
And even the action in the song, like
Yes.
it's suggesting drip in some way,
dripping, yeah.
shape or form.
Yeah, so could be linked to that. Could be something to do with that. Dripping is not the right word.
No. But also not just looking really good. Not fashionable, but
yeah, being well off. I don't know.
okay.
But it's also physical related in terms of awukwazi ubali yoko ngaphakathi.
Funeka
Visible.
silibone,
Yeah,
yoko
kanye.
liyabonakala.
Yeah, for sure.
Love that.
Yeah. So, yeah, and I think by the time this episode comes out, we'll probably be at December, mid-December. Zabe kushushu ke ngoku. Zabe zishushu izinto zisenzeka. So,
It'll be like the 7th.
yeah. Then we'll just be preparing to go on leave. So, yeah, last push, guys. Must push any, must zameni.
Kanichone, guys, do you guys want us to keep releasing these episodes through Christmas and New Year's?
Of course, bro.
Nizozibukela.
You know the answer to that.
Okanye nizobe nisithi hayi mna nisezilalini ndingenayo inetwork besibhize ekhaya sixhela every day. Okanye should we waste our time doing that?
No, I think there'll definitely be time. But yeah, we'll just need to figure it out because we need to shoot beforehand, right?
I know.
Let's definitely do it and see how it goes.
But let us know how you feel about it
Yeah,
anyway.
for sure. Yeah. Always love to hear from you guys. Always love to hear what you think, etc., etc., etc.
Mad Love Buddies, thank you for joining us again. So Pina Sinibone next week as per usual. And keep the love going, man. Guys, like you can never get enough of uthando lwenu.
Absolutely.
Never ever. So keep that going. But also keep it going with each other.
Yes.
Nabantu obathandayo. Manom reminder umntu ba takuthanda fondini.
This is Gwenin.
Uh-uh.
Not you.
Or just send someone that you haven't spoken to in a long time a text and say, Diakumbula, Diaktanda, whatever, you know?
Good December. Sure. Good luck with that.
Ultimately,
Love each other.